Okay, let's get some examples on sales tax. Now, it is very important that you write these examples right next to your notes or right below your notes, or you can even write them on a clean sheet of paper. Okay, I want a 6% sales tax on a $45.78 sports radio. So, what do? First, I need to go to the side and change this percent or convert this percent to a decimal. So we're gonna write down 6%. Move your decimal 2 places to the left. New decimal, add a 0. This is equivalent, 6% is equivalent to 600ths. Okay, that's the first step. Second step, multiply 45 and 7800ths is equal, or times, 600ths. We know how to multiply decimals. We do not bring our decimal down. We just simply start multiplying. Now, 6 times 8 is 48. There's the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus that 4 up there would give me 46. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 4 is 34. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. Add a placeholder because we're about to change place value. And then we multiply by those zeros. 0 times anything is 0. So 0 times 8, 0. 0 times 7, 0. 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 4, 0. Add it up. And we would get 27,468. Now we need to know how many decimal places we should have. Count them up. There are 2 decimal places here. There are 2 there. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we should have 4 decimal numbers behind the decimal in our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal goes here. A 6% sales tax on a $45.78 sports radio. We can't write that. We're talking about money. So we need to round. It's a 6 behind the 4. Raise the score. $2.75 is our answer. I want you to round to 2 decimal places. The answer is the sales tax. The answer is the sales tax. Make sure you write all of your work below where you wrote your problem down and you box your answer. Number 2. A 6.25% sales tax on a 9850 printer. I have a 9850 printer. I need to change this percent to a decimal. Go to the side and work it out. 6.25%. Pepper. Doctor, we move our decimal 2 places to the left. 0.0625. There's a decimal in front of that 0. There's a decimal in front of that 0. Let's multiply. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is 49. Done with that 5 and those little numbers up there. Add a placeholder. And let's continue to multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 7, carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1, 19. Done with that 2. Those little pieces up there. 2 placeholders this time because I'm going over 2 place values. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 3 is 51. There's a 1. Carry the 5. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 5 is 59. Done with the 6 and all those little pieces. 1, 2, 3 placeholders. And then I'm going to have 4 zeros because anything times 0 is 0. Now, if you say, Miss Maxon, I didn't need to have all of those zeros, you can take them out. Because you know the zeros are going to fill all of that up and just add accordingly. Nothing plus nothing plus nothing is 0. 5 plus those nothings, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 7 plus nothing is 16. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 9 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 9 is 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. I'm going to write this on the side so that we can see. Okay, this is what we're working with over here. Don't box it in. That's not our answer because we have to count the numbers behind the decimal. There are 2 there, 4 there. We should have 6 numbers behind our decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 and all of that behind it. Now, sales tax represents money or is talking about money. So we need to talk about money. Okay, think in terms of money. I only have 2 numbers behind my decimal when I'm talking about money. So I want to go to this place value. That 6 behind it raises it up. So $6.16 sales tax is what we are looking for. Okay, that is what we are looking for. That is the sales tax. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Actually, we need to do number 4. For number 3, I want you to practice number 3 on your own. Practice number 3 on your own. Number 4, a 7% sales tax on a $53.85 handbag. The handbag is $53.85. Let's do a 7% sales tax. Okay, let's do a 7% sales tax. Go to the side. I want you to do Dr. Pepper on that 7%. Take the decimal, move it 2 places to the left. New decimal at the 0. 700ths is what we're working with. And let's multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 3 is 59. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 5 is 26. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Placeholder. Done with the 7 and all of its things. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Add them up. 5. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay? 37,695 is not our answer because we need to go to the side and count our place value or our decimals behind our numbers behind the decimal. Excuse me, I can't say it. Our numbers behind the decimal in the problem. So there are 2 here, 2 there. 2 plus 2 is 4. I need 4 numbers behind the decimal in my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think in terms of money. I cannot have 7,695 cents. So we need to think in terms of 2 place values. The 9 raises the 6 up. $3.77 would be the sales tax. Okay. For your practice, I will upload these problems. You're going to do number 3, number 5, and number 7. I will upload those problems so that you may practice before you do your assignment.